Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will discuss about data engineering. I was working as a GCP data engineer for the last 2 years. I will share technologies, software tools, programming languages that all you need to know to become a data engineer. So it should be the complete roadmap for your data engineering career. We will also discuss about certifications and online courses that you can follow to achieve data engineering career. So let's dive into the details. First of all, we need to know what is data engineering. In today's world, data is everywhere and data is gold. The possibilities with data are vast and continuously expanding as technology advances. Some of them are informed decision making, predictive analysis, business intelligence, and more. So basically, data can be leveraged for business. For all these purposes, we need data, right? Consistent and reliable data. So here comes the data engineer's role. Data engineers are who collect, transform, and load tons of data that can be used for business purpose. Data engineering is the field that focuses on designing, maintaining the systems for collecting, storing, and processing the data. In this system, we have to use a lot of software tools, technologies for processing the data. When I say data, it is not the small amount of data. It can be terabyte or petabyte of data. In my personal opinion, role of data engineer is mostly building and maintaining ETL pipelines and data modeling, then assuring data quality and security. So as a data engineer, you have to make sure the data is available. So that's all about data engineering and its concept. So let's have a look into the technologies and tools that we need to learn to become a data engineer. First one is programming language. Python or Java are the most commonly using programming language. You can choose any of these. In my personal opinion, Python is a best choice if you are a beginner or intermediate. In terms of Python, you have to learn from basics to advanced. You should be proficient in working with data structures like tuples, lists, and dictionaries. Also, file handling. Learn how to read and write to different files. This is crucial for tasks like ingesting data from various file formats. Learn libraries for data manipulation like pandas and numpy. Also learn database connectivity and APIs and web scraping. So you have to learn more advanced topics because we mostly deal with building ETL pipelines using Python. Database and SQL. As you know, we are dealing with data and databases, so SQL knowledge is a must. You have to know how to query from different databases and also understand data manipulation, joins, grouping, and sorting, etc. Basically, you have to achieve a strong foundation in SQL and databases. So you must understand different databases like relational database and NoSQL databases. It is always better to have a strong foundation in any relational database like MySQL or Postgres. Big data technologies. In data engineering, we have to deal with huge volume of data, which is big data. So we must know big data technologies like Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, and Apache Kafka. Data integration and workflow. Apache Airflow is a popular tool for orchestrating complex data workflows and scheduling tasks. For example, if we need to run an ETL task at a particular time, then we can schedule it using Apache Airflow. We can monitor and log each ETL pipeline using Apache Airflow. So you must be familiar with this kind of tools. Cloud services. Cloud providers like GCP, AWS, and Azure provides various solutions and services for data engineering. It is always better to have knowledge in any one of these cloud platforms. You can choose any of these cloud provider which is comfortable for you, then learn more about their services. Data warehousing. Final data needs to be saved in data warehouse. So we must learn about data warehouse and data warehousing. BigQuery, Snowflake, Redshift, etc. are some of the data warehouse solutions that commonly using. So we must learn about these technologies. Data modeling is also a topic that you need to cover. Docker, Git, Kubernetes are some of the other topics that you need to cover as a developer. Let's have a look into the roadmap. I created this roadmap considering beginners and intermediates. If you already have knowledge in programming language and have technical background, then you can cover up all these topics lesser time than I mentioned in the map. I took around 4 months to cover up all these topics because I already have work experience in other programming languages. In this roadmap, first month can be utilized to study programming language. In my case, it's Python. You have to learn basic to advanced level. Concentrate on data and file operations, database connections. Also learn basics about NumPy and Pandas. In second month, concentrate on SQL and databases. In SQL, learn about DDL, DML, advanced querying, data filtering and sorting, joins and relationship. Also learn about different databases like MySQL or Postgres. Third month can be concentrate on big data technologies like Hadoop. Also learn fundamentals in any of the cloud providers like AWS, GCP or Azure. In fourth month, ETL using Python and Spark. Learn about basic ETL pipelines and implementation. NumPy, Pandas and PySpark are Python libraries for data processing. So you have to learn about these libraries. Apache Airflow is used for workflow management and scheduling the ETL jobs. Learn about DAG, operators, scheduler, and more about Apache Airflow and how it works. In 6th month, choose any cloud provider and learn about the services and solutions that they provide for data engineering. For example, in GCP, they provide PubSub, Dataflow, BigQuery. So you have to learn about these kind of services and solutions. Apache Kafka is used for data processing and streaming. You can cover this topic on 7th month. In month 8, you can cover data warehouse and data modeling. Also know more about different data warehouses like BigQuery, Snowflake, etc. Docker, Git, Kubernetes are some of the other topics that you need to learn as a developer. Learning data visualization tools will be also added as an advantage. In final month, learn about data quality and governance, and also do a end-to-end sample project using different tools and services that you already learned. It is always better to do a end-to-end sample project so that you can go through the project and solve different problems, and it will definitely give you an advantage in interviews. Certifications and online courses. Certifications can definitely give you an advantage in interviews, so I recommend you to take certifications. If you are planning to take certifications, make sure you are taking certifications from valid cloud providers like GCP, AWS, or Azure. They are providing different certificates for data engineering like AWS Data Engineer Associate, Google Cloud Certified Data Engineer, and Azure Data Engineer Associate. You have to pass their online exam to get these certificates. Exam syllabus will be also available in their websites. You can pick any of these cloud provider which is comfortable for you, and then you can take the certification. Before taking the certification, it is always better to create an account in corresponding cloud provider and get some hands-on experience with the services and tools that they provide. Online courses. When talking about online courses, there is a lot of online courses are available in different education platforms like Udemy, Coursera. You can choose any of these platforms and courses for study. These are some of the courses that are helpful for GCP data engineering, which is available in Udemy and Coursera. These are my personal findings and opinions. These courses will definitely help you to know more about the services and tools, especially in data engineering. You can also find more courses in this platform on this topic. I am working as a GCP data engineer, so only sharing the courses about GCP data engineer. You can find courses for other providers like AWS and Azure in these platforms. I will create videos on data engineering and GCP in my upcoming videos, so please consider to subscribe the channel. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.